Aloha, my name is Joanne Lau. I'm a dietetic student at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. Today I will be doing a demonstration on how to create a heart-healthy and perfectly delicious breakfast called the Rainbow Morning Scramble with a side of honey drizzle mixed berry cups. Before we start any cooking, be sure to remember to wash all your fresh fruits and fresh produce and your cooking utensils, all your cookware, but most importantly, to thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water for at least 15 seconds. Now that everything is washed and clean, the first step is to cut up your vegetables into bite-sized cubes. Learning the proper way to hold a knife is very important because this will prevent injury and add to your comfort in handling a knife. The best way to hold a knife is to put your forefinger on the seam where the metal meets the handle, then grip the other side with your thumb so only 3 fingers are holding the handle. Now that you have all your vegetables diced up, be sure to line them up neatly so that will make the cooking process easier. The ingredients you will need for your Rainbow Morning Scramble will be half a cup of yellow bell peppers, half a cup of mushrooms, half a cup of tomatoes, 1 cup spinach leaves, 5-ounce liquid egg whites or 2 large egg whites, a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 3/4 ounce of cheese, low fat, low sodium, and black pepper to taste. Okay, let's start cooking. First, turn the heat on medium-high. Then let's add about a tablespoon of olive oil into the pan. Then swirl it around the pan so that you cover most of the cooking surface to avoid sticking later on. Next, I'll turn the heat up high and let the oil heat up for about a minute. Once the oil heats up, go ahead and add the mushrooms first, as this takes the longest to cook. Cook the mushrooms for about 30 seconds. Then add about 1 teaspoon of paprika and stir to mix with the mushrooms. Next, I'll go ahead and add the yellow bell peppers and let the pepper and mushrooms cook for about 45 seconds. Then reduce heat to medium-high and add both the tomatoes and the spinach into the pan and let everything cook until spinach looks almost completely cooked, which is not long as spinach cooks pretty quickly. For the vegetables, you can use any type you want. I prefer these varieties because they're a very colorful assortment as well as being high in antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin B, iron, and folic acid. When all the vegetables are almost completely cooked, remove them from the pan and place it on a dish. Next, use a clean paper towel and wipe the pan off to make sure there's nothing sticking to it. Then spray the pan with some pan cooking oil. By using a cooking spray, we can reduce excess consumption of calories from oil, as each tablespoon of oil contains about 120 calories. After spraying, let the pan heat up. Once the temperature is hot enough, pour in the egg whites and scramble. Egg whites generally coagulate between 140 to 149 degrees, so scrambling it at about 145 degrees will be perfect because it wouldn't overcook too easily. When eggs looked almost half done, still a bit wet looking, add in all the vegetables and about 3/4 ounce of cheese and scramble everything for another 25 to 30 seconds. Now that the scramble is done, turn off the heat, remove the scramble from the pan, and arrange them neatly on a plate. Now that the Rainbow Morning Scramble is done, we just transfer it to this plate with a little bit of black peppers added on top to taste. Now for our mixed berry cups, we need 1 cup of either fresh or frozen berries. Remember, if it is frozen, it is best to thaw under refrigeration. Right here we have a cup of mixed blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries. I will go ahead and add some almonds, about a teaspoon of almonds on top with 1 teaspoon of honey. And then just sort of let it drizzle on top. There you go, a delicious low-fat, low-sodium breakfast that is high in protein, fiber, minerals, and vitamins, and so simple to make. There you have it, the morning rainbow scrambled with a side of mixed berry cups drizzled with almonds and honey. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it. Mahalo, and thank you again for watching. Have a great day.